So after sitting down with hairstylist Christian Wood, I couldn't let him leave without him actually putting his hands through my hair too. Now he works on some of the top names in Hollywood, and I'm adding my name to that list today. So I want the full-on red carpet star treatment a la Golden Globes.
I'm going to show you a look in 5 minutes of how to go from like day to night.
5 minutes?
With a, yeah, 5 minutes.
Wow.
With a Golden Globe inspiration.
I've never done anything with my hair in 5 minutes.
Well, I'm going to show you.
Oh my
I'm going to change your life.
You are changing lives here.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into a deep side parting, because I think every girl looks good with a deep side parting.
Love a deep side part.
Super glamorous.
It never goes out of style.
And is this the side that you like?
Like this side.
So today we are going to recreate Katherine Langford's Golden Globe look. You remember she had some cute sparkly stars in there?
We featured it.
We did this amazing constellation of like sparkly stars in there. So we're gonna do a quicker how-to on that tape. We're gonna go from day to night. So I'm gonna start by adding a little serum through your hair.
Absolutely.
You know, we want that shine, we want that Kira Kira moment happening.
Yes, the must-have app, by the way, that you introduced me to. And this is not sponsored by Kira Kira, but you should get Kira Kira in your life.
It is life-changing. We're just gonna put a little serum through just so it smooths out the ends. You get a little bit of shine going on, and it also helps the old hair that's been styled reform back into place. So it's a good little tip. So we're gonna start, as we've sectioned it, and we're gonna scrape it back on one side, because you need a good base to be able to apply all the accessories on top of. And I think this is really nice because you have a sort of sleek finish on one side, and then you'll have like volume on the other. So we're gonna use a little hairspray to get rid of all the baby hairs.
Check those edges, ladies.
Keep them flat.
Keep them flat.
And then we're gonna sweep it across. And as I said, we're doing this super quickly. Normally I would blow dry the hair and maybe put the curling iron through it again, but I wanted to show you something that was quick and easy to do.
And this is great to showcase the makeup and your natural like beauty with your face and your features and everything, but it still has your hair down.
Yeah, exactly. It's kind of, you know, a lot of people love half up, half down hair. So this is kind of the half up, half down side version.
The side version, the glamorous version.
The glamorous, you know, get that old Hollywood sort of Jerry Hall, Veronica Lake vibe, but modern, because I think most people don't want to wear their hair like that outside of a red carpet. It feels too much of a look. So this gives you that feeling and that vibe without fully committing.
There we go. So if you have commitment issues.
If you have commitment issues, this is the hairdo for you.
This is the hairdo for you.
Then we're going to take our accessories. These are the famous stars we use at the Golden Globes.
I'm feeling fancier by the moment.
We're just going to slot them into the hair. See what doesn't work.
Right.
You know, they're like art. You can place them however suits you best, whatever works for you.
Exactly. And you can do it like around a ponytail. You can do
I mean, these type of accessories you could put into anything. You could put one of these stars just into a ponytail to sort of give it a little spark and take it from day to night so quickly.
Love that. And they don't even, I mean, they look heavy, but they don't feel heavy on the
It's funny, right? Because they're made of Swarovski crystals, they look like they'd be super heavy, but they're actually not. And I'm also using them to cover where I put the two bands initially.
See?
So it's a good double trick.
It'll look like the stars are just magically
falling over your hair.
Yes.
And sometimes I'll take them out and put them back in again. I think it's really important when you're working with hair to keep playing. You know, hair's all about playing and having freedom. Love seeing people recreate my looks as well. I always think that's super exciting when I've done an award show. And you'll get people, you know, recreating the look at home, or they're inspired for prom or for a wedding, and I love that.
Imitation is the highest form of flattery.
It really is. I'm never insulted by that.
Do you have any hairspray go-tos?
My favorite brand at the moment to work with is Wella.
Wella.
Their products are really designed for a session stylist in mind. So they do what it says on the can, which is so important to me because I don't have time to try new products out. I can't be putting it in a client's hand and being like, oh shoot, that doesn't work. It's too late by that point. One more final check from the front is always important.
Wow, I feel so VIP.
There you go. Final 5-minute hairdo.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna show you. You ready to see?
With no heat, yes.
No heat in 5 minutes.
Wow.
There you go, there's my little compact. You see?
Oh my goodness, that part is perfect.
And you've got your sparkly moment.
And you've got the sparkle.
How glamorous do you feel on a scale of 1 to 10?
11.
Yes,
yes,
results.
11, and I feel like it's gonna stay all day. I need to go to the supermarket like this.
You need to go do a photo shoot.
I do! Can we do a photo shoot after this? I still can't believe, first of all, the part is perfect, and I can't believe we did this in 5 minutes.
No heat.
With no heat.
No curling iron, no straighteners.
Nothing.
Just product.
Just your hand, product, hairspray.
And some glamorous hair accessories.
And some
what more do you need in
glamorous
life?
hair accessories.
I mean, you look like you're about to shoot a hair commercial.
I am ready for my close-up because my hair and I are putting the star in American Beauty Star thanks to celebrity stylist Christian Wood. I can't believe no heat and 5 minutes, and I got a red carpet style with the sparkle. Look out for the sparkle in spring and summer, but keep up with Christian on Instagram @CWoodHair, and keep up with us too, American Beauty Star on Instagram, and keep it here, AmericanBeautyStar.com, for all the latest Spotlight segments.